Homemade espresso brittle recipe. Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to make something truly special, espresso brittle. It's crunchy, it's sweet, and it's got that kick of espresso that you just can't resist. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup water. 1/4 cup light corn syrup. 1 tablespoon instant espresso powder. 1/2 cup chopped almonds, or any nuts of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking soda. Instructions. Step 1. In a heavy bottom saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup over medium heat. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Step 2. Once the sugar is dissolved, stop stirring and let the mixture come to a boil. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature. We're looking for it to reach around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Step 3. While the sugar mixture is boiling, mix the instant espresso powder with a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Add it to the boiling sugar mixture. Step 4. When the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, add the chopped almonds and salt. Stir until everything is well combined. Step 5. Remove the saucepan from the heat and quickly stir in the butter, vanilla extract, and baking soda. Be careful, as the mixture will bubble up. Step 6. Immediately pour the hot mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use a spatula to spread it out into an even layer. Step 7. Let the brittle cool completely at room temperature until it hardens. This should take about 30 minutes to an hour. And there you have it, folks. Our espresso brittle is ready to enjoy. Once it's cooled, you can break it into pieces and indulge in its deliciousness. Crunchy, sweet, and with that unmistakable espresso flavor. Trust me, you're going to love this one. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com, 3 Coffee Lover.